How to reset Warzone controller settings. First of all, when you're on the Warzone homepage right here, you want to get your PlayStation or Xbox controller, then press either the options button or the menu button there. That's going to bring up this menu here where you want to press the right bumper on the Xbox or R1 on the PlayStation to go along until you see that settings cog there at the top. Then click on controller once you've scrolled down. There you will see your controller settings. All you'll have to do is press and hold X or the square button on PlayStation. So square button on PlayStation, hold down, or X on Xbox, hold it down, and then you'll see it says reset tab. You'll click yes on that, then it will reset your Warzone controller settings. You could do similar for all the other tabs within there, such as graphics, audio, all the other settings here. You can go through and do them all too, as well as your quick settings. You can go ahead and change that. But that's how it's done within each of those for PlayStation and Xbox. Leave a like on the video for help and subscribe for more helpful videos.